Well, hello everyone, and today is just a quick run around Skipton Castle Woods, so enjoy the photography, enjoy the video, and I shall see you all tomorrow. Tucked behind Skipton's medieval castle lies a woodland that has quietly shaped the town for nearly 1,000 years. Skipton Castle Woods, once known as Old Park, is one of Yorkshire's rare ancient woodlands. Before Skipton became a market town, these trees were already here, providing everything the early castle needed to survive: water, fuel, timber, stone and food. As you walk beside Eller Beck, you are following the same watercourse that powers Skipton's early industry. In the 18th and 19th centuries, the backfed dams and the channels that drove wool mills, corn mills and sawmills, turning this quiet valley into the engine of the town. Some of the old industrial engineering is still visible today if you know where to look. That's what we're doing today. The woodland itself is a living museum of trees. It's dominated by tall straight ash grown for high quality timber, but at least 17 other species thrive here: oak, hornbeam, lime, chestnut, rowan and more. Some trees were planted for decoration, others for fast growing timber during the 1950s and 60s, each layer telling a different chapter of the wood's story. Despite centuries of use, the woods remain a sanctuary for wildlife. Roe deer move quietly through the undergrowth, kingfishers, woodpeckers and herons hunt along the beck, and at dusk 5 species of bats emerge, including the noctule, one of Britain's largest, taking advantage of the standing deadwood and rock crevices that make perfect routes. By Victorian times, the woodland's purpose shifted again. Industry slowed and Skipton Castle Woods became a pleasure ground, a place for Sunday strolls, fresh air and quiet reflection. That tradition continues today. What makes this place special is how close it sits to the town, yet how ancient and untouched it feels. Just steps from the high street, you're walking through a landscape shaped by medieval survival, industrial ambition and centuries of careful management, all while nature continued to reclaim its space. Skipton Castle Woods isn't just a walk, it's 1,000 years of history woven into the trees, the water and the wildlife that still thrives here. Thank you for watching so far and enjoy the rest of the video. So there's a nice bench here, and excuse if I break my reading because some of it is a bit hard to read, but it says, "Rest your feet for a while in the company of trees. Hear the oak, ash and hornbeam talk in the breeze. Take heed of the whispers of trees. From the past, always treasure this wood. Long may it last." And this is where it is. There's a couple of these statues as well in Skipton Castle Woods. Look, nice horse. Nay! What does a horse do? That was very enthusiastic, wasn't it? Oh yeah, we're going to double back on this way and then home we'll go. Well, Roxy, yeah, Roxy.
And me.
And little legs.
Because you know you get this one sleepover.
You are, right, yeah?
Yes.
So Mummy and Daddy's got some peace and quiet tonight. But hey.
But tomorrow we'll have loud.
Yeah, we will have loud if you're back, won't we?
Yeah, because I'm real loud. And I'm really hungry every day.
I know you are. Come on. Oh. Come. Watch yourself. Come. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.